So hello guys. So Google has released their agent to agent protocol. So it's a protocol which it's a way of communicating one agent to the another. So I guess they were feeling missing out after Anthropic has released MCP. So Google has, I guess they were feeling missing out. So they released this one, but I guess but yes, this has a lot of potential. So let's see. They have been partnered with so many companies, like so many big companies, and this has a lot of potential. They have also shown how this works, and also with one example. Let me take you to how this actually works. First of all, so mm, okay, cool. So what actually will happen is like MCP will not go anywhere, but yes, A2A plus MCP will be the like future look like. There may be other protocols to replace them. We can't predict, but yes, for now, there means A2A and MCP both together can be a good combination. So what is MCP? I guess you all know. So MCP is like suppose I have one agent, my agent. Okay, now I also have my to dos. That is like in on Notion I have some to dos. Okay, cool. Or any notes or to dos. Okay, cool. So this my agent do not have access to this my Notion, because there is no connection, right? So how can we give this information to my agent? So that's where MCP comes into place. So MCP, so what we need to do is we need to have one MCP server, which will expose my to dos for this agent to use. That's like a tool call. So that's simple MCP. So I guess everyone knows it. So let's see what is A2A protocol and how is it different. Okay, so now what happens is agent to agent. So this is there is no connection between one agent to another agent, but in A2A protocol one agent like converts to another, and the connection between them is A2A. So let's take this example. So suppose let's see, let's suppose this is me. Okay, so I want to have one, I want to order one margarita pizza, suppose. Then what I'll do is I have one food ordering agent with me. Okay, and this Pizza Hut, what they did is like they also have one agent, like Pizza Hut agent, and also they are using their database with MCP tool. Cool. Their Pizza Hut agent is using MCP for tool calling their database. Okay, simple. So what will this agent do is suppose I ordered, like I texted my agent and told it, told my food order agent that I need to order margherita pizza. Okay, so yes, then what it will do is it will go to Pizza Hut agent, and like the conversation between this food order agent and Pizza Hut agent is where A2A agent protocol, like A2A protocol, comes in. So my food order agent will be like, do you have margarita pizza? Then it will check in his database with the use of MCP. I will check and it will tell that it has or not. So I guess you understood it. Awesome, simple. So okay, so how does this Pizza Hut agent knows that this where uh, yep. So how does this food order agent knows that this Pizza Hut agent is only for selling pizzas and not for selling burgers? So how does it know? How does my food order agent knows that it's for selling pizzas? So that's where this agent card comes in. Agent card. So let me write it down. Agent card. So this agent card is exposed in this endpoint. So what Pizza Hut agent needs to do is like what Pizza Hut needs to do is Pizza Hut needs to expose one endpoint, that is like slash endpoint slash well known slash agent.json, and in that JSON there should be info about their Pizza Hut agent. So there should be info like this is the name of this agent is Pizza Hut agent, and this is for ordering pizzas. And yes, so we can see the JSON should look like this, I'll show you in the code also. So the JSON looks not suppose like the JSON looks something like this. So there is a name, there is a description, URL, and other infos, other infos, and also examples are there. So this is how the JSON will look like. This JSON is also called this agent card. So how one agent knows about other agent, like how does that, like how does this agent knows about this Pizza Hut agent? So um, it's by the use of this agent card. Okay, cool, I guess you understood. So let's move forward to the code part. Okay, awesome. So I have taken this from their repo itself. Let me show you their repo. Yep, this one is it. Yep. So this one, Google slash A2A. So this is open source totally. Yep. This is it. And in the samples, they have given their JS and Python implementation. So in my code is the JavaScript implementation. So I just tested out it. So what you need to do is, like, suppose I want to run this agent coder. Okay, npm run this. So suppose there is a coder agent. Okay, fine, this is running. So if I go to this thing, this localhost slash well-known agent.json, we will get something like this JSON, what I have shown you before. This agent, that is the name is coder agent, description, all these things will be in this route. So what will my other agent do is, like, let me start up another agent, that is the client agent. Suppose this is the server agent that is running on this port localhost, this thing, and I have another agent that which needs to connect to this coder agent. So that is like npm run A2A CLI. Okay, so my this agent, that is A2A CLI, this agent got connected to coder agent. So sorry, so let me text, please provide a simple hello world program in Rust. Let's see. Okay, awesome. Artifact main.rs function print hello world. Awesome. So I guess you understood. So this is my this CLI agent, that is A2A CLI agent, is getting connected to coder agent, and the conversation takes place between them. It tells to give hello world program, and the coder agent gives me the hello world program. Awesome, fine. Yes, you can check out the demo and samples in here, in their Google A2A repository, and try it out. But they have just given one brief idea about how to use this protocol. So yes, this protocol has a lot of potential, and I would love to see it being implemented in a further future. So let's see how it goes. And I guess you understood the whole thing about what is the difference between MCP and what is A2A protocol. I guess you understood everything in a simple manner. Do check out their demos and samples to know more about them, and also check out their announcement here. So I guess you like the video, and if you like it, do press the like button and all those things, comment, share, and all the stuff. And I'll see you in our next video. Till then, peace.